It's the beginning of chapter 7. This is lesson 7.1 today, and not just today, but this entire set of lessons for chapter 7 is all about consumerism. What role should consumerism play in our economy? The last chapter set of lessons, we learned all about the economy. We learned about the economic continuum. We learned about shifts left and shifts right. And well, I guess on your screen, this would be shift left and this would be shift right. But for me, this is shift left and this is shift right. Nonetheless, what role does consumerism play in our economy? So stick around and let's learn something. Right, chapter 7, my friends, all about consumerism. What role should consumerism play in our economy? We're going to take a look at two main questions today. Sorry for me laughing, but I'll get to that in a minute. Our focus questions: how does consumer behavior affect quality of life for individuals and groups in Canada and the United States? And then our second question: what affects the impact of consumerism on the economies of Canada in the United States? And we have a whopping, oh my goodness, an incredible amount of words. No, not really, just two words: consumerism, and the second word is going to be boycott. This is a very short lesson. We only have one slide really in the meat and potatoes of this, but we're going to take a look right now. What is consumerism? This links prosperity to consumer demand for goods and services. Basically, it's us, the consumer, the person that's buying something. We are central to the economic decision-making of an economy. We buy goods, and that makes us a consumer. And I was laughing before because as I'm prepping for this lesson, I'm taking a look at the technology that I have here that I'm using, and it's all Apple products. I am a consumer. I am buying goods. That makes me a consumer. And when I'm buying my goods, so my Apple products, for example, I'm considering my quality of life. My citizenship does play a role in that, and my identity when I'm buying a product or service. You can, and again, this brings me back to that original thing that I was laughing at about the Apple products. Can you kind of tell somebody who uses a certain product over another product? You probably can. If you know me as a teacher in person, you know that I definitely love my technology. And there's a specific technology brand that I am always using in the classroom. Like I said, this was a very short lesson. I want you to head over to your notebooks and complete the questions for this part of the chapter.